Good morning everyone and welcome to April Fool's Day.
Hello world, wake me up to another good morning, time to go. Oh, we are all looking for adventure. 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 We are all looking for adventure.
Now you could all be forgiven for thinking that this was just one big April's Fool. However, it's not. And we are pretty much all in the same boat now. Wherever we are in the world, we are all exactly in the same boat. Whether we live in a mansion, a boat, a house, a normal house, or a van. We're basically all restricted to it. Now, just want to have a chat to you about what this means for Australians and Australian van life. Now, in Australia, they actually physically don't want to call it a lockdown. They're obviously the social distancing, but they've now brought rules in that basically equate to a lockdown. And if you're caught out breaking those rules, you can be fined up to $1,600 per person in some states, $5,000+ for a business. So the fines are pretty high. And yeah, I've been here this morning. I'll just spin you around just to show you where I am. Just out there, that is the Broadwater, which runs from basically the Gold Coast Broadwater. And the police have been out today pulling jet skis over with more than one person on them, stopping them and sending them back. In fact, there's one just going past there now. Oh no, that's a little rubber duck. But anyway, the police have been out there pulling jet skis over. Now, so the rules that we've got, basically we have to stay at home unless absolutely necessary. We're allowed to go to the shops. We're allowed to go out for exercise. However, if we go out for exercise, there is not allowed to be any more than 2 people. We are allowed to do the little keep fit in the park, but again, it can't be any more than 2 people. And if we have to be in the social distancing, under the social distancing rules. No house parties, no barbecues, which is a big way of life for Australians. And that is about it. Now, with regards to van life, really the only big thing that has changed as such is there's no social life. Basically, all the pubs and bars and cafes and everything like that is closed, they're shut. So you're not even really allowed to go around to a friend's house if there's going to be, well, you're not even really meant to be going around to a friend's house. So you're meant to stay in your own house and sit it out, but just go out once a day and get exercise. Go to the grocery, go to the supermarket just in case you need food, but that's only essentials. So that is where we are at in Australia. Good morning everyone. It's Thursday morning, 5 a.m. I'm up a bit earlier this morning. Just going to catch the sunrise, go for my morning walk on the beach. And I'll just take you with me this morning. So I'll just spin you around. Drop my coffee. Here we go. Now I'm just walking up the side of Southport Surf Club. Oh, and look at that. It's going to be beautiful today. So although everyone's in lockdown, well, they're not calling it a lockdown here at the moment, but we're still allowed to get out, we're still allowed to go for exercise, morning walks. However, it's not meant to be any more than 2 people at a time. So this is Main Beach. And look at that. I'll just take the microphone out just so that you can hear the surf. Okay, let's go. Well, the sun's up now and it's been a really nice walk this morning. Beautiful sunrise, great weather, not too cold. The seawater is like a bath. It's warm as. So, although I probably won't be going for a swim because it's not quite that warm. But anyway, just spinning around, just heading back now towards surfers. And look at that, blue sky, blue sea. An amazing beach. Now, what have I been doing to keep myself busy? Well, normal bit of work here and there. Obviously editing YouTube videos. And I've been catching up on some maintenance for the van, and I'll show you a couple of things that I've been doing a bit later on in the video, but that's been about it. Probably pretty much the same as anyone else, except they've been doing it in solid bricks and mortar. I've been doing it in my van. Now guys, one of the jobs I've been wanting to do is this little job on my water pump. And basically when the tap's off it would just continually run, so it meant that I had to just keep turning it on and off at the switch. So I just googled the issue and it's to do with the pressure sensor on the back, and that's it. So even with the tap closed, that pump was running. So I'll just show you now. So now the tap, I'll just run it, pumps the water and turns it off. Now previously what was happening is even when the tap was turned off, the pump was still running underneath, and it was a right pain in the butt. And it's been one of those jobs I've been wanting to do for a long time. It's now fixed. There's one thing that I've had plenty of time to do, and that is fly my drone. Normally at this location it would be impossible. There's a theme park down the road called SeaWorld. Helicopters fly from there all day, every day. Now this part of the Seaway, the Southport Seaway, you get all the millionaires' yachts and super yachts going up and down it. And I managed to capture a few of them. So sit back and enjoy some drone video
of the Southport Seaway.
I'll ride with the horses, I'll swim through the sea, I'll climb to the mountain tops, won't you come follow me? I'll take time to notice all that I see, and after I've come so far, you know where I'll be. I'll fly away, fly away, fly away, fly away home. I'll fly away, fly away, fly away, fly away home. But life is a vision, that's how it should be. The world is a canvas, and the choices are free. At the end of the journey, where all is complete, they'll all wonder where I've gone, but you know where I'll be. I'll fly away, fly away, fly away, fly away home. I'll fly away, fly away, fly away, fly away home. Our dreams last forever, for all that we know. The roads come together, and that's where we'll go. We'll fly away, fly away, fly away, fly away home. We'll fly away, fly away, fly away, fly away home. Ooh, we'll fly away, fly away, fly away, fly away home. We'll fly away, fly away, fly away.
Now that completes this week's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and comment. I love to hear your comments. Now, I hope you enjoyed the drone footage. I love getting the drone up. Sometimes it's just not possible, obviously depending on airfields and such like, but I love the drone footage. Now, but above all, there's a lot of negativity going around at the moment, and it is going to change. We're all in it together, as they keep telling us. But above all, please take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.